We all lament the fact that Transformers Animated never got a proper ending, but the creative forces at the UK's premier Transformers convention, TF Nation, have come together to give it one. Presenting Transformers Animated Trial and Error, an original full-length graphic novel available exclusively at TF Nation 2017. Under Sentinel Magnus' faltering leadership, Cybertron is a powder keg, and the trial of Megatron might just be what causes it to blow. While Optimus Prime does what he can on the surface, Sari heads underground on a quest for her origins. But what she finds might hold the key to saving Cybertron, if she, Bulkhead, and Bumblebee can survive what lurks in the depths first. New faces and old favourites meet in an original story that combines the official story hooks for Season 4 into a final chapter worthy of the show. Co-written by Chris McFeely, that's me, and Allspark Almanac author Jim Sorensen, with an incredible 60 full-colour pages of artwork by Ed Pirrie, Per Spalter, and Gav Spence, with lettering by Andrew Turnbull, all wrapped in a cover by official Transformers comic book artist Josh Perez. Trial and Error will only be available at TF Nation 2017 in very limited quantities. Don't miss your chance to experience the ending Transformers Animated deserves.